Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to teach you to use YouTube like a pro. You learn to like videos, subscribe to videos, get notifications, and so many more things. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Before we begin, let me just explain what YouTube is. Imagine YouTube as a magazine store, and all the magazines are videos. These magazines are published by different publishers, like Vogue, Time Magazine, etc. If you really like a publisher, then you subscribe to their magazines, and that makes the publisher's work easier for you to find. If you want to get notified every time a new magazine comes out, you can ask to be notified. If you really like a specific magazine, then you can put in a good word for it or praise the publishers. Here's a table to increase your knowledge a bit. So see here it shows the videos are magazines, the channels or the content creators are the publishers of the videos or magazines. If you subscribe to a channel, it's like subscribing to a magazine. And the notification bell on YouTube, which we'll explore further in this video, is also like subscribing to a magazine, which lets you get notified every time a new magazine, or in this case, video, comes out. And liking and commenting on the video is basically like giving a magazine a review. So now that you know what YouTube is, let's actually get into how to actually use YouTube. Now let's begin. To start off, open your Google browser and search YouTube. Once you search YouTube, if I can spell that right, click on the first option. Now, if you haven't used YouTube before, then you should be on something like this, which is the home page. Now, I'll give you some random videos of different topics and different types, and then on the top right, it will show a button that says sign in. So if you actually want to interact with the YouTube's buttons and channels, then you're going to have to click in sign in. So for now, I'm going to do that. This is the Gmail account we created last video. So I'm just going to choose this one for now. Put in your password. So this is just signing into your Gmail account into YouTube, so you can help remember what kind of things you like. So obviously I've never used this account before, so it's just giving me some different random videos. So if I actually want to search something and I want to watch something, I'm going to search my channel for now. So I'll click this. Now it's this one. I'll just go click on this. Okay, great. So this is the video that I posted. We'll use this one as an example for this video. So just to show you how to actually subscribe, I'll just unsubscribe from this. Okay, there we go. So basically, this is the video. The video is like the biggest element on the entire page. And then on the right hand side, you can see more videos that Google suggests for you from what you're watching right now. So the top one is the one that's going to play up next. And then these next are just things that you would like to watch, maybe what YouTube thinks you'd like to watch. But anyways, let's not get into that right now. We'll go down here and we'll see all of these. Okay, so if we go here, you'll see this. I like this. So you can press that to show appreciation to the content creator, saying that this video is great. Thanks for making it. I like this. If you don't like it, then you can press I dislike this. But I really hope you don't dislike my videos. So for now, I'm just going to click I like this. And then these two over here, share and save, they're basically, this one means that you can share this on different social media accounts like Facebook, Pinterest, email, LinkedIn, all of those kind of things. And then save is only if you have YouTube Red, but if you can put it in watch later, which means that it'll remind you to watch it later. So you can do that if you're like, oh, I think I'm going to forget to watch this, so I'll just put this on my watch later. And then this is the main button that I was talking about. So the subscribe button actually means that you're saying, I like this content creator. I want to see more of his videos everywhere. So if you subscribe to a person's video, then this little button will show up. If you click on this button, that means that you want to get notified, like a little notification that comes up on your device that says, this content creator has created a new video, do you want to watch it? So basically it's reminding you, like the watch later button, that you need to watch this, or do you want to watch this? And then this is the comment button. I actually commented on myself, but that's fine. Anyways, you can add a public comment, like you can put in your feedback, like great video, or you could improve this, you could improve that. And by the way, I would love to hear feedback, so definitely use this. So that's how you add comments. That's how the comments of other people look. And pretty much that's all of the main elements in YouTube covered. So I guess that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.